And here's our 785 application. It's one of the most problematic parts in the field with warranty claims. Up to 20% warranty claims just on this one vehicle application by itself. We went out and bought 9 different sets, random sets. It didn't matter who was the manufacturer, didn't matter who was supplying the kit. We just went out and bought product, and here's what we found. Before even putting the parts into the bracket or into the assembly, there was an interference issue. So here's the problem. Here's part of the reason why there's drag built into this system before you even put it on the vehicle. Our redesigned barrel allows the interaction between clip and plate to have no issues with drag before you put it on the bracket. Here's a 785 application with the current design clips already installed in the bracket. I'm simply going to remove those out of the bracket. I take these off. I'm going to replace them with the QUICKrelease version clip. Right here, here it is. Looks different than what I just took out. It's got the added retraction fingers for drag-free system. I'm going to replace those with the QUICKrelease drag-free clip. They install just as easy. Goes onto the bracket the way it's supposed to. Pads go in with no problem. With retraction right up against the backing plate. We have a little shelf here to give you a little bit ease of getting these things lined up. Outer backing plate goes in just as easy. In they go. Now with drag-free retraction arm, parts interact the same way, except we have our drag feature for helping push the pads off the rotor. QUICKrelease, drag-free system. No more frustration. What does that equal? Happier customers.